Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. This is Sincerely Elle. Okay, so for today's video, I am going to share to you the documents I prepared before my first international travel. Okay, you heard that. So, may plano ka bang lumabas ng bansa? Yung flight mo ba ay sponsored? May imimit ka bang foreigner boyfriend outside the Philippines? Okay, this video is for you. So let's start. Let's start. Oh. Anyway, so this is it. So I flew here in Vietnam the other month. I think June. Yeah, I flew here that was in June. So it was my first international travel, solo travel, and sponsored travel. So the documents that I prepared is the most important thing. The affidavit of support and guarantee. Yes, that is the most important thing. So about the affidavit of support and guarantee, yung boyfriend niyo po, if you are sponsored so your boyfriend should prepare that affidavit of support and guarantee to the country where he is residing. So for example, yung boyfriend ko nandito sa Vietnam. Dito rin siya nakatira, dito siya nag-work. He's a foreigner, South African. So pumunta siya sa Philippine Embassy dito sa Vietnam and process the affidavit of support and guarantee. So ganun lang, and then pay, and then you can get it the next day or 3 days after. So ganun yung process ng affidavit of support and guarantee. And then dapat ay isi-send niya yan sa iyo kung nasa Pilipinas ka. So isi-send niya sa iyo sa Pilipinas the original na copy po, hindi yung printed, hindi yung nasa email, dapat original, yung galing talaga sa embassy. So ganun yun. And then yun na, ipapakita mo yun sa immigration the day sa flight mo. Papakita mo yun sa immigration if hahanapin niya, because mostly hinahanap talaga. So yun, pangalawa is dapat mag-prepare ka ng photocopy ng kanyang passport. So, madali lang naman yan. And then, the third, yung na-prepare ko rin is his bank statement. So, pinipare ko rin yun. And then, fourth, proof of relationship. So, me and my boyfriend met last year in the Philippines. So, pinakita ko yung ibang photos kasi hinanap. And yung conversations, hindi naman hinanap yun sa amin. So, yun lang. Yun lang ang hinanap sa akin ng immigration officer. 4 lang. Yung hotel pala, hotel booking. Or hotel kung saan nakatira yung boyfriend mo. So, yun. Handa yun lahat. Ihanda mo yun lahat. And you're good to go. Pero sa akin lang yun Baka iba-iba tayo ng mga experience and baka iba rin yung hahanapin sa'yo. Yeah, case to case. That's a case to case basis. And then, actually marami akong hinanda ng mga documents. And that includes his work permit, and the TRC card here in Vietnam or the residence card here in Vietnam. Baka hanapin kasi ng immigration. So, yun yung prepare ko. Pero yung hinanap sa akin is affidavit, proof of relationship, hotel booking, yun lang. Tsaka, passport niya. Binigay ko lang photocopy ng passport niya. So, yun lang. Kunti lang naman. Mas mahirapan kayo if yung pupunta kayong tourist tapos sponsored pala yung travel nyo. Tsaka guys, dapat be honest lang. Kung ano yung tanong, yun rin yung tamang isasagot nyo. I mean, tama rin yung dapat na isasagot nyo. And kung ano yung tanong sa inyo, dapat yung sagot is brief and concise din para hindi ka malilito, at saka yung immigration officer is hindi na masyadong magtanong. Kasi in my experience is okay lang, pero yung mostly yung mga question is about na sa aming relationship, kung kailan kami nagkita, saan kami nagkita, sino una nag-chat, saan kami nagkakilala, ilang taon na kami, ganon. And yeah, and thank God I'm already here. So yun lang guys, tip ko lang sa inyo is be honest, huwag kabahan, and just prepare the documents needed. Yun lang.